Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, we discuss about chapter 10, special probability distribution. For 10.4, the normal distribution to approximate a binomial distribution. For 10.4, use the normal distribution to approximate a binomial distribution. The normal distribution X normally distributed by parameter NP, which is mean, NPQ, which is variant, can be used to approximate the binomial distribution X. Binomially distributed by N is a number of trial, P probability of success. In other words, we have to approximate a binomial distribution to normal distribution when N greater than 50, NP greater than 5, and the last one, probability from 0.1 to 0.9, with mu is equal to expectation is equal to NP, and sigma square is equal to variance X is equal to NPQ, where Q is equal to 1 minus P. We proceed to continuity correction. The binomial distribution apply to a discrete random variable, whereas the normal distribution apply to continuous random variable. So, we need to make some corrections for continuity as follow. Number 1, if probability X is equal to A, so after we do the continuity correction, we get probability X greater or equal to A minus 0.5 and less or equal to A plus 0.5. Okay, for number 2, if probability X greater or equal to A, and after we do the continuity correction, we get probability X greater or equal to A minus 0.5. For the third one, for probability X less or equal to A, and after we do the continuity correction, we get probability X less or equal to A plus 0.5. Okay, for the last one, for probability X from A to B, after we do the continuity, we get A minus 0.5, B plus 0.5. The reason why we have to do continuity correction, because the reason that I stated before, when N greater than 50, NP greater than 5, and probability from 0.1 to 0.9. Okay, next we will discuss how to get the continuity correction for all of this. Okay, for probability X greater or equal to A, okay, this is a tip. You make a number line. Okay, so you put the value of X is equal to A. A is means at only A, so we have to do the continuity correction before and after. Okay, for before we have to minus 0.5, for after we have to add 0.5. Okay, so for continuity correction for X is equal to A, we get probability X. Okay, X greater or equal to A, we read as X greater or equal to, okay, greater or equal to, so from A greater, so to the right. So we have to do correction before that, so we have to minus 0.5. So A minus 0.5 for symbol greater or equal to. Okay, for less or equal to X, we have to, okay, X less or equal to, so we have to do to the left. Okay, so the correction is plus 0.5. So A plus 0.5. Okay, that's the reason how we get the continuity correction. Okay, for second one, probability X greater or equal to A. Okay, for X greater or equal to A, we make a number line A. Okay, A to the right. Okay, so we have to do correction before that. So we have to minus 0.5. So the continuity correction for X greater or equal to A, we get probability X A minus 0.5. Okay, for the third one, probability X less or equal to A. So for less or equal to A, we make a number line A to the left. Okay, so we have to do correction after A. So minus plus 0.5. So for continuity x less or equal to a, we get probability x less or equal to a plus 0.5. Okay, for the last one, probability x from a to b. Okay, so this is your a, this is your b. Okay, we read x greater or equal to a. This is greater or equal to, so goes to the right. A goes to the right, so we have to make correction before a. So we have to minus 0.5. Okay, for b, add less or equal to b. So less or equal to b from b to the left. Okay, so we have to do correction after b. So we have to plus 0.5. So the answer for this one, probability x greater or equal to, okay, for a minus 0.5. For b, x less or equal to b plus 0.5. Okay,